Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your device OS and backing up lock screen settings so you can revert if needed. Once done, enable any developer or advanced display options required by the tool you chose, because those toggles allow live movement and animation. Next, install the Wallpaper or Motion app and grant permissions for home screen, lock screen, and motion access. Make sure to allow storage and display overlay rights. These 3 steps get you into the app and ready to configure animated lock behavior. You now configure the motion. Pick parallax for subtle depth, a video loop for rich motion, or live wallpaper for interactive effects. Then adjust intensity, speed, and the trigger. For example, tilt triggers use gyroscope, touch triggers use touch input, and time triggers loop at intervals. Crop and set resolution to match your screen to avoid scaling artifacts, and choose a low-power fallback for battery savings. Once set, preview full screen and tweak parameters until movement looks smooth and responsive to your inputs. You finalize by applying changes and locking the device to test the effect in real use. Observe battery and thermal impact for at least 15 minutes to ensure no excessive drain. If notifications or unlock gestures are blocked, make sure overlay permissions are correctly set or temporarily revoke them to restore priority. If the lock screen crashes or stutters, reset the app to defaults, restore your backup, or boot into safe mode to isolate conflicts with other apps. These steps complete the setup and provide one clear troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.